Hello, my name is Austin Colley, and this is the extra component to Exercise 6. When we run the program and go to localhost 3000, we see the option to buy a sloth. There's 4 different options with their prices listed underneath. When we click on Add to Shopping Cart, we see that we see a table that has the ID of the sloth, the quantity, the name of the sloth, unit cost, and total cost for that ID. If we were to have a duplicate, we notice that the unit cost would stay the same, but the total cost would alter based on the quantity. We can do the same thing for Fred, where we see unit cost and total cost are reflecting the cost of unit cost is how much one quantity is, and total is based on the amount of quantity. Finally, when we hit the checkout button, it will display our total price based on what is in our shopping cart. And that is the end of the extra component for exercise 6. Thank you.